Another month is fast approaching, and we are looking forward to seeing a lot of things happen. And with me in studio today is director, actor, producer, Mr. Fiifi Coleman, and they are about staging "I Told You So" by Bob Cole. Of course, we're going back to our heritage days, things that have been done in the past, and we are reenacting them or we are restaging them. And of course, Fifi Coleman Production House is known for doing that a lot. Hi, Fifi.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Great. I told you so.
Yes, Makacho.
I like that.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a bit about I Told You So?
I told you so. Legendary Bob Cole's writing a play about a man who traveled to Nigeria after stealing some diamonds. Came back to look for a wife and marry. The entire community is for the rich man who's in town to marry. Um, ably and available is Rosina, who's also like 28 years, no husband, looking and searching. The whole family wants to marry her off, except her father, who insists that he needs to know who the man is before we give his daughter to a rich man to marry. Because marriage for the rich is very technical, there's not a lot of issues with it. Everyone in the entire village says, he's too known. Yeah, they can't so fine. So I work at Pisca there, in Pisca. So they all push for this marriage to happen. And then at the end of this marriage, this man gets arrested. And the man has the wherewithal to say, I told you so.
Yeah. Yeah. This sounds like a very interesting something going to happen. And it happens a lot in our lives.
It is.
Yeah, people tell you something, or your parents tell you something, and then last, what do when you
One
had a
time,
chill? I told you so.
they serve you breakfast, you come back and say, I told you it wasn't good for you.
Ah. So when is I told you so happening?
I told you so is happening on the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th of March at the National Theatre.
How many shows are you doing per day?
So for the 5th and the 6th of March, our shows 7 p.m. each night, and then for the 7th and the 8th, we have a 4 p.m. showing and an 8 p.m. showing on each of those days as well.
Why those particular days having two different shows?
So the Saturday and Sunday they are the high population days. There are days where the people coming to theaters, a lot of them come through the theater. So we did that, and also because 6th March is a holiday. We are thinking that if we did a 2 show, it's going to worry all the programming during the day because a lot of people are out there, with whatever they need to do. But in the evening, it's okay. So we have one day, and then on the Thursday, is a dedicated show where we did to honor Bob Cole, Araba Stamp, all of those who were in the movie. That's we're saying that if you are above the age of 60 years and a Ghanaian, it's free for you to come and watch I Told You So.
Wow.
Yep.
Hi, Mr. Kwashi. I'm bringing my father to
Thank you,
watch.
yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
So, who are the actors? Who are the people you're bringing on stage? Because we know you just pull up with certain people on stage.
Yes.
The last time I watched the play, before I realized Nana Mama Brown was on stage.
Yeah. Yeah,
Fifi, you're known for just springing up new faces
yes,
on us.
Yes,
so
we did that.
What should we expect?
We're expecting JW Ambule this time. The whole it's just everybody's like, wait, how did you get
him on stage?
JW Ambule. So we have JW Ambule. Mr. Beautiful hasn't done anything in a very long time. And we're bringing Mr. Beautiful on stage. You know Abokuma, Dickens Abokuma, but you know him on TikTok and with his for Jaw and all of Oluwe, that group and everything. And all of them I'm bringing onto stage.
All of them?
All of them. The three, that trio, they are all part of I Told You So. They're all in there. Who else am I bringing on stage? Oh, we have our own Asantera Kapopwe. He's a very interesting character. We love him very much. Minor ode to down to our very own comedian extraordinaire, Clemento Suarez is in there as well. Yeah, introducing Rosina. I think her name is Sewa. I forgot Rosina. But yes, it's like first time too, so introducing her as well. She used to be with GMB. And now we're bringing her to stage to come and do her first theater production as well. So yeah.
That's beautiful. Are you going to be on stage this time?
No, I'm not on stage.
Why?
Because I got a very good, you know, Jude. I don't know whether you know.
I know Jude.
Yes, I had Jude walk in to double me. Then he came on and I was like, I can get to rest. And he's doing an excellent job. It's not like I'm worried about what he's doing. He's applying himself and he's doing a beautiful job with the character. And I can get to just sit down
and watch it.
And watch it and direct. So I'm not going to put myself in this one. So I am not part of it, but I have these able actors who are just going to pull it off. Yeah.
How much are tickets going for, and where can your viewers get tickets?
So for the regular tickets, it's going for 200 cities, and the VIP is 300. If you want, VIP comes with souvenirs and then unlimited local drinks, right at your seat, wherever you are seated. That's it. If you want Sobolo, they bring it to you. Whatever you want, just call for it. They bring it to you, right? You know, in your seats. You get to take pictures with the stars. Backstage once it is done as well. And to get tickets, there's a short code, which is a star 920 star 60 hash. I'm going to repeat that. Star 920 star 60 hash. You get a ticket, right, by dialing that. Or you can get a physical ticket by visiting Bachona Total on the Sprinters Road, Airport Shell, and Frankie's Osu. And then ultimately, listen, all things fail, you're unable to dial data finish, that couldn't work to airports. When you get to the National Theatre, you will get a chance to buy a ticket there. But I must warn you, we will take care of those who bought online tickets before we do those who are buying at the gate, just so you know.
Just so you know, so make sure you do grab your tickets before getting there on the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th of March. Of course, Heritage Month, you need to start early. Start early, start well. Music, dance, drama, go enjoy yourself. My name is Afinuna. This has been MX24 Event Guide, your sure plug to everything event happening in and around the city and the world at large. You can visit our website, mx24.app/event guide for all events happening and tickets. You will definitely get tickets on our website as well. Do make sure to stay tuned and see you at your next event.
Our purpose is sweets. Until all the parties are no more, we drink and go. Every demand come, I got you the minimum. Pataoseko. Some, let me show you. Yeah. Oziji, oh, Diku Hoffman, Ebo ma, Obo, Oya Dell. Semakacho, there, Mami, Mubu Basa. La de Bumuda Mabu for Apero. No, there, something did there. Waiting did there. Waiting there.